doing something now that I have not done before, which is to test fit a wheel prior to mounting the tires. I've always taken my shot, but I feel like I read it in too many of the pieces of paper here, and I feel like it would be bad luck. So this would be the one time that the wheel doesn't fit. Got all the lug nuts off, gonna pull this on, just test fit the wheel, make sure like the bolt pattern and center bore are good. And we'll go get them mounted up. Ooh. I think the first set of shining wheels I've ever bought. I keep buying black wheels because I'm boring.
Oh, looks good.
It does look.
It spins.
Looks good. I think we're in luck. Who knows if the tires are gonna fit in here? But
What are we putting on?
we're gonna put on the 37s that were on our two-door Bronco, Toyo Open Country RT, I think. So we got to go play musical wheels and tires this morning. And you can measure it and make sure, but like the clearance on the caliper there,
Yeah.
there's like an 1/8 inch of clearance. So it wouldn't be too hard to get that wrong.
Nothing like stacking off-road wheels on car seats.
All right, we got old wheels and tires.
You've been exposed.
My kids are, I just got had. I wasn't even listening to that.
You're good.
Wheels and tires are loaded up. We're gonna go drop them off real quick for mounting. We just got back from getting these tires mounted up. We're gonna get them swapped onto the truck. As you can see here, we've got a Toyo Open Country RT. These are actually the same exact tires we had on our two-door Bronco back in like 22. They've been collecting dust for a little while, waiting for a time to shine. Today is that day. They're mounted onto some sweet KMC wheels. I've kind of traditionally been like a black wheel guy, keep it pretty boring. So this is a little bit of a deviation from that, so I'm excited to explore that. Next thing up is Maddie and I are about to get these mounted up to the truck here, see if they fit. I am told, I've read, that a 37 will fit on a factory Power Wagon with a wheel. These have an 18 offset, so we'll find out. It'd be a real shame if we had to upgrade the suspension. Let's check it out.
All right, we're doing a little bit of a rub test, clearance test. Let's see if he hears anything. Hoping there won't be much trimming needed. How does she sound?
It didn't sound like a rub. Did I?
Yeah, I didn't hear anything.
It didn't sound
But
like
I'm pretty far away. Idle's loud. Turn it back this way. Holy smokes. It clears by about a quarter of an inch, half inch. Keep going. The front's good. You got an inch in the front. Yeah, so that's that rubbing sound. It's just catching the plastic a bit here, the fender line, or no, the, yeah, you're perfectly caught on it. Huh. Not bad at all.
This piece feels optional.
Feels like very optional. Let's rip her off. There we are. It's probably 3 inches higher. It had 33s on it. Now these are 37s.
We're gonna quickly remove some parts while the boss is going.
They'll come back and it'll be a perfect truck. I'm surprised it doesn't hit more. There's not much rubbing at all.
I have no idea how there's not more rubbing.
I mean, we haven't gone over any terrain with it, articulation.
I didn't expect it to fit without articulation, so
This is crazy.
color me impressed. Well, there's one piece. Is there that same piece on the other side, Max?
Let's see. Yep. One bolt.
One bolt and one bolt. Be helpful if I was going in reverse still.
That's all I have to do to make these fit. That's going to be insane.
I don't know.
We'll see.
I don't know for sure.
And now bring it back. All right, that's good. We're pretty close. There's still touching, but less. We won't make that popping sound from the plastic flopping back.
So is this guy?
Yeah, it's just
That piece looks like it was meant to be cut, really.
I think that'll clearance itself.
Yeah, I think you could probably just take it across the top. There's the pinch weld on the bottom here. That's scary.
Yeah, so that's right where it's from.
That's what we call a no-go.
Yeah.
Maybe trim it, depending on what is really next to it. But
Yeah.
we'll see. All right, definitely just fine.
Getting closer.
All right, so with that, wheels and tires are on the truck, all 4 corners. It looks great. Very happy with how everything fits. No rubbing, really. We were able to zip tie down the back part of that wheel well liner there. We'll go put some miles on it. We'll find some real articulation to make sure it's not going to cause problems, but it doesn't look like it will, which kind of confirms what we've heard online. Next up for this truck is that we're going to design the seat back molly panels for you guys. You've been asking for them for a long time. Check back next time.